What's up, guys? Of course, I always remember to do this crap after the fact. So, I'll get this guitar right here. It's one of these ones I've been working on. It's got a little bit of fret buzz. So, it's got a high fret. So, what I do, take it's a Walmart gift card, anything. You don't need, a fancy fret rocker or any of that crap. I go ahead and loosen up all my strings. They're already loosened. I just do this really quick. I pull them off to the side. That way I don't have to completely remove them. This guitar's got locking tuners. I spread my strings around the neck like this, okay? And I take my card, in here like this, and I put it on 3 frets. What I do first, usually I go like this, and I'll run it down the thing, and see if I can feel it hit something that's sticking out. It should pretty much glide across without, any clickety-clackety. Now, you set it across 3 frets. If the one in the middle is high, it'll rock back and forth. So you just go along here, and actually this one almost does a little bit. So then what I do, I take my fancy snap-on screwdriver, and I bang the fret down with it. Okay, that's just what I do. You could get a fret hammer. So it's not doing it now. So this is an older guitar, I don't know, it's the early 2000s, so, and I live in Arizona, so wood shrinks. So these can just rise up. Now, sometimes when you hit them, you actually make them worse. So you just kind of have to be mindful that, the worst case scenario, what I do with them myself is if they won't go down, I will get some super glue and wick it in there and clamp it down and let it dry. And sometimes they'll lift up on the ends, and no matter what you do. So, okay, we come through here. We just check each one. It rocks back and forth a little bit. We just come in here, just go like this, and then just check it. Now, they could come back up, but. And you want to probably check the whole thing, but for me, I'm concerned with the bass strings. So, I've already kind of went through this and done this already. This right here. If it's really bad, you can just take sand it, but if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. And then you could, quickly tighten your strings back up and see if it made a difference. But none of these are severely bad. So anyway, that's just my quick tip of the day for you guys. Save you some time, save you some money. Don't have to bring it in to some place, maybe get you closer to having the guitar play the way you want it to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos soon, I promise.